Wrong side. Hey, this is Bryan at GP Rod and Customs, and welcome to another episode of Teach It Tuesday. But this is more like Double T Tuesday. What's that, you mean? It's Tool Tip Tuesday. So instead of showing you something about fabrication, I'm going to show you a quick little tip on a tool that probably a lot of people my age or so may know, but there's a lot of younger people that I run into in this industry that have no idea what this tool can be used for. And it's really good tool. It's an all-in-one tool. I got two different kinds here, as you can see. I had to use this recently on the project that I've been working on, which is the Sprinter van, building upper cabinets, little storage areas for the Sprinter van that go along the top. So what this is a door, and this will be a storage area with a removable back on it, and it'll all be finished out when it's completely done. This door is made out of Plex because we're going to have it hydrographed to make it to look like wood grain. So, like I said, it's a 1/2 inch piece of Plex, and my shortest machine screw that I have for these hinges was a 1/2 inch. Well, I didn't want to take the risk of drilling completely through and having to tap completely through. So what I did was I took an 8/32 1/2 inch long screw, put it in that tool, and cut it down to 3/8 of an inch. That way, it's not drilled through. And I was able to tap the Plex and use a machine screw. So, and I'm going to show you how this works. Like I said, there's a lot of people that know what this is, but there's also a lot of people that don't know about this. And they think it's the coolest thing when they figure it out. So, this is an 8/32, 1 inch screw, machine screw, 8/32. So I just read where it says 8/32. You open it up, it says insert screw this side. Don't ever put it in from the other side, you'll screw up your tool. Alright, so after you cut it, you can see it's cut completely through. You want to take your tool. This is an Allen head, so I have to go get my Allen wrench. And then when you take it out, it'll kind of re-thread itself. And there you have it. 8/32 cut in half. Easy as pie. So, nice little all-in-one tool. It does a little bit of everything. It'll strip, crimp, cut, and cut screws, small machine screws. Most of them are all exactly the same. It'll go to a 540, 632, 832, 1032, 440, and a 1024. So I hope you can use your tool to its full extent. So if you found this tip helpful, subscribe, hit the like button, like us on Facebook, check us out on Instagram, share the knowledge.